Hey friends, we're in another Holly thing here, and I'm going to try not to talk too much because I feel like crap. But anyway, here is a Colourpop haul part 2, and let's get started. Oh, that is such a pretty box. So pretty. Adorable little card. Packing slip. Okay. So this is the Super Shock Shadow Duo for the that you buy it and the proceeds go to the animal shelter. I couldn't pass it up, it was just too pretty. Okay, this is a Luxe Velvet Lip in Southbound. I ended up getting 2 of those ones for a Christmas gift. This is a lip oil. And a roll-on lip gloss for nostalgia's sake. Alright, that is all for this small order. You guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you on the next one.